Good morning, students. Today we will do revision of all the exercises of lesson number 1, Brave Hans. First of all, we have done every exercise of this chapter, but I am once again repeating it for those students, those who have not done this, they have to do it, and those who have done, they have to learn it. Now, answer the following question. You have to write question, heading of the name of the chapter and heading of the exercise with black pen, question with black pen and answer with blue pen. Now question number 1, what are dikes? I have told you dikes are long wall which are made by the people of that land to avoid the water from flooding the land. So answer is dikes are the long thick walls which we made along the sea to keep the sea water from flooding the land. Now leave one line, then write question number 2. How did Hans spot the hole of the dikes? हंस ने कैसे डाइक में जो होल था उसका पता लगाया? Question, the answer is while coming back from school, all of a sudden Hans heard the seepage of water. In this way, Hans had spotted the hole. जब हंस स्कूल से वापस आ रहा था तो उसने पानी टपकने की आवाज़ सुनी और वो इस तरह उसने होल का पता लगाया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट डिड हंस डू टू ब्लॉक द होल? हंस ने होल को ब्लॉक करने के लिए क्या किया? हंस पुट हिज हैंड इनटू द होल टू ब्लॉक इट. हंस ने अपना हाथ उस होल में के अंदर डाल दिया ताकि वो उस होल को ब्लॉक कर सके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, व्हाट डिड द विलेजर्स डू ऑन सीइंग हंस अनकॉन्शियस बिसाइड द डाइक? गांव वालों ने जब देखा हंस डाइक के पास बेहोश है तो उन्होंने क्या किया? ऑन सीइंग हंस unconscious beside the dike, the villagers took his hand out of the hole and managed to block the hole by putting rock and mortar. जब उन्होंने हंस को बेहोश देखा तो उन्होंने पहले तो उसके हाथ को बाहर निकाला होल से और उसके बाद उस होल में रॉक्स और मोटार देकर उस होल को ब्लॉक करने की कोशिश की. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, हाउ डिड द विलेजर्स थैंक हंस? गांव वालों ने हंस को कैसे धन्यवाद दिया? द विलेजर्स थैंक हंस बाय शावरिंग हिम विद गिफ्ट्स एंड ब्लेसिंग्स. गांव वालों ने हंस को धन्यवाद देने के लिए उसे बहुत सारे गिफ्ट दिए और उसे आशीर्वाद दिए. नाउ आवर सेकंड एक्सरसाइज इज ट्रू और फॉल्स. हंस lived in India. This statement you have to write with blue pen and the answer with black pen. Now Hans lived in India. This is true or false? This is false because Hans lived in Holland. Number 2, Hans heard water gushing in from the hole of the dike. So this is also false because Hans heard seepage of water, not gushing of water, seepage of water from the hole of the dike. Now third, Hans was a brave boy. Yes, Hans was a brave boy because he saved his village from being flooded away. So he is a brave boy. So put a write down true. Now fourth, Hans put his legs into the hole to stop the flow of water. This is false because Hans put his hands into the hole, not legs. Now fifth one is, when no passerby came along, Hans ran to the village to warn the people. This is also false because when no passerby came along, Hans put his hand to block the hole and he did not go or run to the village to warn the people. So this is false. After this, we will do fill in the blanks. Now fill in the blanks. Again, you have to write the heading with black pen and the statement with blue pen and answer with black pen. Number 1, Hans studied in standard 4. Hans studied in standard dash. This here you have to write 4. Number 2, one day Hans was walking along the dikes. The answer will be dikes. Hans tried to dash the block. Hans tried to block the hole. Hans tried to block the hole. Number 4, everybody understood that what a brave dash Hans had done. Everybody understood that what a brave deed Hans had done. Number 5, the villagers found Hans was lying dash with his hand inside the hole. Here you have to write unconscious. The villagers found Hans was lying unconscious with his hand inside the hole. After this, multiple choice question. Again, you have to write the heading with black pen, the statement with black pen, and the options with blue pen. And when you have to tick the correct option with black pen. Now, first one is Hans lived in dash. A. India, B. Holland, C. Thailand. The answer will be Holland. So you have to write Holland also here. Number 2, dash is not having the strength to go on. There are 3 options. Number 1 is bravery. Number 2, second is misery, and third is courage. The answer is courage. So you have to write courage is not having the strength to go on. Now number 3, Hans heard the sound of dash of water. Number 1 is seepage, B is gushing, and C is falling. So you have to write the correct answer is seepage. Hans heard the sound of seepage of water. Now 4th one is Hans' parents were dash about him. Worried, B is frightened, C is happy. So what you have to write? Hans' parents were worried about him. Now 5th is villagers blocked the hole with dash. A. Cement, B. Mud, C. Rock. The answer will be rock. Villagers blocked the hole with rock. After this, we have to do match the following. Match the following. On the left hand side, whatever you here is written, it will you have to write it with black pen, and on the in front of it you have to write the answer with blue pen. Match the following. Number 1, Hans. Hans will match with young boy. Number 2, dikes. Dikes will match with thick and high wall. Third, sound of will match with seepage of water. Fourth, showered will match with blessings. But you have not to do like this by drawing line in front of each of them. You have to write it like this. The answer will be written in front of each of the options. Number 1, Hans will match with young boy, so you have to write young boy in front of it. Number 2, dikes will match with thick and high wall, so you have to write it like this. Sound of seepage of water will match with it, you have to write it in front of it. And showered will match with blessings, so you have to write it like this. Don't do like this. You have to write the answer in front of each of one. आपको ऐसे zigzag लाइन से नहीं करना है, लाइन खींच के ये वाला आपको नहीं करना, आपको इस तरह से करना है. Those who have done, they have to learn all the exercises, and those who have not done the exercises, do it in your fair copy in a neat and tidy manner and learn it for your test. Thank you.